Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add page numbers on Google Docs. So first of all, on your browser, open Google Docs, and then open Google Docs document. Next is to click on the Insert tab on the menu at the top of the page, and from the drop-down menu, select Page Number. Another menu will appear with options for how you want the page numbers to be displayed. You can choose from options like top of page or bottom of page to specify the placement of the page numbers. Select the desired location for your page numbers, and Google Docs will automatically insert them into your document. So by default, Google Docs will start numbering from the first page of your document. So that's it. You have successfully added page numbers to your Google Docs document. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.